Hello everyone, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations, and what I'm doing today is I am painting some jeans for a client. I made a garment for her and she would like to get the jeans to match. So what I say is your gift will make room for you, your talent will make room for you. I'm out here on the patio deck and I thought I'd come outside and get some fresh air and be with nature, bringing everything back to life. So I started these jeans this morning and then I let them dry, and so I'm gonna do another layer. So if you want to start expanding some ideas, I want you to think about jeans. Think about making jeans, painting jeans. They never go out of style. So if you watch, I'm gonna go ahead and do some touch-up work while I talk to you. I'm just going to the orange, it takes a little bit more work for it to really get the message that I want to spin. I'm just doing some coloring here. This is actually the third coat of orange that I'm putting on these jeans, because once you paint these jeans, they can last 20 years. So I'm going back over it with a layer of doing some abstract art on the jeans. These are Wearable Art Jeans. If you never thought about it before, think about doing some jeans, adding a little splash of life to them. I'm actually using 3 colors. I'm using black, brown, and orange. Like I told you, I always recycle. So these are some little dishes that I got from feeding my pets. And they are actually here tonight. They're here today. This is one of them. This is Hennessy. And that's Batman. Okay, and this is Hennessy. And they are the love of my life. They're out here on the deck with me. And we're actually in Atlanta, Georgia today. And we're painting on the road. I'm here in my Atlanta home. And I love to get close to nature. So I'm out here on the back of the balcony. It's an upstairs balcony. These trees, look at these trees. These trees are huge. And this is when you can really prune them really good. But this is nature at its best. And right behind the house is a little creek. And I've been doing art here since 2005. I actually was working a lot in Atlanta, and my girlfriend that lived here at that time bought a lot of my hats, and she wanted to go into mission work and no longer want to be on the road. And long story short, she said, would you please buy my house, because I don't want to work on the road anymore. I just want to go and be a mission work. So she's still doing mission work, and she goes all the way. She'll probably be actually